welcome to this video. Thank you so much for clicking. I am so excited to show you how I make resin Ouija boards. Please, I do not condone the use of actual Ouija boards. This is for decor purposes only. And for the first time ever said on this channel, this video is sponsored, my very first sponsorship ever, so thank you so much to this company for working with me. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people, which I know a lot of you are. I'm personally so obsessed with learning, reading, taking online classes, so I think Skillshare is so great. You can explore new skills no matter what level you're at, work on existing passions, and get lost in your own world of creativity. I think it's so great that Skillshare has so many options. I would love to take some of the drawing courses because I'm trying to get better at drawing lately, and they have so many options such as portraits, pen and ink illustration, and so much more. Plus, they're always adding new premium classes, which means you never have to stop expanding your knowledge and skills. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. Skillshare allows you to work on your own schedule, whether you're stuck at home during these times and looking for something to do, or would need to work around an existing schedule. It is perfect for that. Personal growth is so important, and finding your community of people will help with that journey. First 1,000 of you to click the link in my description will get a free trial of a premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Thank you so much to Skillshare for partnering with me and offering my audience a deal to get started with their learning. So let's get into the tutorial now. This Ouija board is done in 2 layers, and we are about to do the first one. And my number one tip that I actually did wrong in recording this is I would recommend putting the resin and then the flowers in. It just gives you a lot less bubbles, so ignore what I'm doing there. But yeah, this is the clear coat, and we're gonna let this cure for 24 hours with our flowers. 24 hours later, I took some black chalk paint and mixed some resin with it to give us the background color / second layer. And then I just poured that in and waited another 24 hours. The next day, I took the Ouija board out of the mold and started adding these gold details by hand. I'm just using a metallic paint pen, and don't worry about getting it perfect because I just clean up the board after and take off all of that extra paint. Then you're also going to let that sit for maybe half an hour to an hour just to make sure that the paint in those details dries. Now I am just cleaning up the excess paint. I put some nail polish remover on a cloth, or you can use a Q-tip, whatever works, to take off kind of that extra paint and clean it up. To ensure that the paint stays on, I use this clear glaze that I just spray all over the board, and I'll also sand it just to clean up the edges. Then I took my electric drill and made 2 holes in each corner, chose my biggest jump ring I had and put it through the hole. I was struggling doing this on camera for some reason, and then I open one of the chain links on this copper chain that I have, and I just put it through and close it over the jump ring so that it becomes a wall hanging. And here are some of the other ones that I've done. I love experimenting with different color schemes and different flowers. It's so much fun. I absolutely adore these, and like I said, for decor use only. We do not want to invite evil spirits into our homes. That is all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to do a huge resin Q&A style video where I answer the most frequently asked questions like I've done in the past. So if you have any resin questions, please leave them below and I will feature you in my next video that I'm currently planning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much to Skillshare for working with me on this video, and I hope you have a great day. Love you. Bye.